Okay, so let's try and motivate the idea of inheritance a bit more by thinking about what we do in real life. So, inheritance actually models the way we think about things, we classify things in real life. For example, we often classify things going from the specific to the general. So, for example, if you're talking about vehicles, a hatchback is a type of a car, which is a type of vehicle. Or if you're talking about animals, a spaniel is a type of dog, which is a type of mammal, which is a type of animal. And I'm sure you can think of lots of other examples where we take this idea of having something that's specific and then generalize it, or perhaps the other way, we start with something that's general, an animal, and then think about specific types of that thing. So specific types of that animal. And usually there's there's usually many specific things of specific types of one general thing. So if you think about vehicles again, you could think about an estate as a type of car, which is a type of vehicle, or a lorry as a type of vehicle. Animals, tiger is a type of cat, which is a type of mammal, which is a type of animal. So the general classes, the vehicles and animals in these two examples, have lots of specific subclasses. And in programming, our classes also follow this logic. So, for example, if you think about the Uni app, the person stores a name, the user class, this is the person class, the user class stores a name and a user ID. The staff class stores a name, user ID, job, and modules. And the student stores a name, user ID, program, and modules. So a staff object, actually, you can think about this as a staff object as being a type of user, because it's like a user, but it's got a bit more information. Okay, in terms of the fact that it stores a name and a user ID, but it also stores some extra stuff. And a user is a type of person because a user stores the user ID, but the person just stores a name. So the person is the most general thing, but we go down to specifics where the user is a specific type of person in terms of these classes, and a staff member is a specific type of user. Same with students. Student object is a type of user, which is a type of person. Okay, so you can see that we've got this this sense of things that are classes or subclasses of the big class. So big class is person, and then underneath that we have all these subclasses. So what? Well, the important point about this is the concept of inheritance, where one class inherits data and methods from another one. Or put another way, where specific classes inherit data and methods from more general classes. Okay, so suppose we write some code for the person class, and we want all the other classes to have the same code. Currently, the way we've done this so far, we just have to copy and paste the code from one class to another. Okay, and we've done that. So the person class and the student class and the staff class, they all have the same code. Essentially, I did it. So it was copied and pasted from one place to another. But if we use the concept of inheritance, we can write the code in one class, and all the other classes can just inherit that. And that's the basic idea of this topic, today's topic. Okay, I'm going to finish the video here, and then we'll look at how we model that in a language called UML.